Alright everyone, this is the first question in our chapter 11 HL test review. It tells us a continuous random variable x has a probability density function given by f of x equals cx minus x squared from 0 to 1. Determine c. So this means that the area under the curve, usually the area under the curve equals 1. The area of 1 is only between 0 to 1. So we know that the integral from 0 to 1 equals cx minus x squared. Okay, we can bring c out because it is a constant. So that doesn't really do anything in the integrals. Now, integrate x minus x squared, that gives us 1/2 x squared minus 1/3 x cubed from 0 to 1. That equals 1. So, when we plug that in, c, okay, so 1 over 2, 1 squared minus 1 over 3, 1 cubed, minus 1 over 2, 0 squared, minus 1 over 3, 0 cubed. We plugged in 0 and 1, so this gives us 0. That just equals c, 1/2 minus 1/3, which gives us c times, that's 3/6 minus 2/6, right? That's just 1/6. Alright, so 1 equals c 1/6, c equals 6. It's part A. For part B, find the EX. That's just the mean. Alright, so in our formula booklet, the mean of a continuous random variable is just from infinity to infinity, x f of x dx, okay? But because we do have a range, our actual mean would be 0 to 1, x times f of x, which is 6, right? See? X minus x squared dx. Now, 6 is a constant that's multiplied, so we can move that out. So x minus x squared dx, which equals 6, integral from 0 to 1, x squared minus x cubed dx. Okay? Now, when we integrate that, that would become 1 over 3rd x cubed minus 1 over 4th x, the 4th power, from 0 to 1. Can we plug that in? 6, 1 over 3, 1 cubed minus 1 over 4. 1 to the 4th power minus 1 over 3, 0 cubed minus 1 over 4, 0 to the 4th power. That all equals 0. So all we have is 6, 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4, which is 6 times 1, 12, which gives us 1 over 2. Whoops. There we go. And that's how we solve our first question.